Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best slick products shine and protect is probably one of the most versatile and effective solutions on the market today for anyone looking to give their vehicle that showroom quality finish while also providing a durable layer of protection against the elements, making it an indispensable tool for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike who demand the best for their prized possessions. Number 5. Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Wax. Experience the power of thick, clinging foam that adheres to your vehicle. It works perfectly with foam cannons, foam guns, or even traditional bucket washes for a superior clean. Infused with carnauba wax, this formula leaves a slick, hydrophobic layer. It enhances depth and gloss while actively repelling water and dirt. Our pH-balanced soap gently cleans without stripping existing wax or sealants. It's safe for all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, wheels, and trim. Enjoy a refreshing grape fragrance during your wash. This makes every cleaning session more enjoyable while delivering professional quality results. This solution is perfect for a wide range of vehicles. Use it on cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and off-road vehicles with confidence. Unlike harsh shampoos, our pH-balanced formula is gentle on all exterior parts. It won't strip waxes, sealants, or ceramic coatings, ensuring a pristine finish. What we like. If you love using foam cannons or guns for your car washes, this is the soap for you. It creates a thick, clinging foam that lifts dirt and grime effectively. Plus, it adds a layer of gloss and protection with carnauba wax, making it ideal for those who want their car to look its best after every wash. What people say. This product works great and is easy to use. It leaves a nice shine and protects the surface. I was impressed with how long the shine lasted. Number 4. CR Guys Hybrid Spray Wax Kit. Are you frustrated with car waxes that fade quickly? Our advanced formula is designed for longevity, providing a deep shine and slick surface that lasts. Achieve a perfect finish with ease. It's safe for every part of your vehicle, from paint and plastic to glass, leaving no white residue or streaks. Elevate your vehicle's appearance to the next level. This formula works at a nano level for instant, head-turning gloss and reflections. We are committed to quality, using the latest scientific advancements and the best equipment. Our products are proudly made in the USA. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any issues, our dedicated team is here to help resolve them. What we like. For those seeking a show-stopping shine with minimal effort, this spray wax is a game-changer. Its advanced formula works at a molecular level to deliver a deep gloss and slick surface that lasts. If you're looking for a product that's safe on all surfaces and provides a head-turning shine without streaks, this is your go-to. What people say. It sprays on very easy, and is easy to wipe off. You don't need a lot of muscle to spread it around. It leaves a nice shine on my car. People have asked what I use on my car. Great product for a quick sealant and in touch-ups after weekly car washes. This product just keeps the car clean and shine like crazy. Water beads off as well and it seems to repel a decent amount of road grime. Easy to apply, remove leaves mirror shine. Fingernail scratches at door handles, gone. Rain rolls off leaving shine not spots. Applied to window exterior, no streak, clear in rain. Number 3. Chemical Guys Silk Shine Tire and Trim Dressing. Bring back the factory fresh look to your tires, trim, and plastic surfaces. This product restores and protects, leaving a non-greasy, dry-to-the-touch shine. Revive dull and faded areas with a natural satin finish. It enhances depth and color while providing protection against daily wear and environmental exposure. This versatile spray is safe for both interior and exterior use. It works wonders on dashboards, door panels, bumpers, and tires for cars, trucks, and RVs. Enjoy a smooth, streak-free shine without attracting dust or dirt. Its advanced water-based formula dries quickly, creating a clean, long-lasting protective layer. Achieve effortless results with a quick spray application. It spreads evenly and wipes clean, perfect for routine maintenance or a full detailing session. Get professional-grade results trusted by enthusiasts and detailers. It restores the look of plastic, vinyl, and rubber for a showroom-quality appearance. What we like. If you want to bring faded and dull plastic, vinyl, and rubber trim back to life, this is the product you need. It restores a natural satin finish without any greasy residue, making it perfect for tires, dashboards, and bumpers. Choose this if you're looking for a versatile dressing that protects against daily wear and environmental exposure. What people say. It doesn't leave a super glossy shine, a very nice semi-gloss and darken. The color of your vinyl and plastics works really great. Suitable for various surfaces, including tires, trim, and internal and external plastics, silk shine restores and enhances without creating an undesired glossy finish. It is particularly effective on vehicles with matte and satin finishes, maintaining the original OEM look. Its advanced WeatherTech formula protects against the elements, preventing fading, cracking, and other damages caused by sun exposure. The durability of this product keeps vehicles looking sharp for extended periods. Number 2. Chemical Guys Speed Wipe Quick Detailer. Achieve an instant, high-gloss shine with this powerful detail spray. It effortlessly removes light dust and smudges, leaving a slick finish perfect for quick touch-ups. Our advanced polymers ensure a mirror-like shine without any streaks or haze. You can even use it in direct sunlight for fast, on-the-go detailing. This versatile spray is safe for use on all your vehicle's surfaces, including paint, glass, chrome, and plastic. It won't scratch or damage existing protection. Guard your vehicle against harmful sun exposure and maintain its vibrant color and clarity. It's a great addition to your detailing kit for long-lasting protection. Enjoy a fresh cherry aroma that complements the showroom look and feel after every use. It leaves your vehicle smelling as good as it looks. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and more. Use it anywhere, from your garage to car shows, for an instant refresh. What we like. For quick touch-ups between washes or to maintain a showroom look, this quick detailer is perfect. It removes light dust and fingerprints, leaving a high-gloss, streak-free finish. If you need a versatile spray that's safe on all exterior surfaces and offers protection against harsh weather, this is an excellent choice for maintaining your vehicle's appearance. What people say. It leaves behind an impressive, streak-free shine that enhances the color and depth of my car's paint. This detailer also acts as a dust repellent, keeping my car cleaner for longer. I use this spray constantly. While my car is warming up, I'll do a quick touch-up on any spots that need attention. It's quick, effortless, and works like a charm. Number 1. CR Guys Tire Shine Spray. Introducing CR Guys Tire Shine Spray, designed for the perfect finish. Achieve your desired look, from glossy to satin, with complete control. This user-friendly formula dries to the touch, leaving no greasy residue or runoff. It includes an applicator pad for precise and easy application. Protect your tires from harmful UV rays that cause fading and cracking. Enjoy a durable, long-lasting shine with just one coat. Experience a clean, professional finish without the oily mess. It dries quickly, preventing sling or streaks for a flawless look. We are committed to quality, using the latest advancements and the best equipment. Our products are made in the USA with care. At CR Guys, we genuinely care about your satisfaction. If you have any concerns, our team is here to help make it right. What we like. If you're particular about your tire's appearance and want control over the finish, this Tire Shine Spray is for you. It allows you to achieve your desired look, from glossy to satin, with a non-greasy formula that dries to the touch. It's ideal for those who want durable UV protection and a clean, professional finish without any mess or sling. What people say. Everything looks great, not super shiny and greasy either, which I love. Doesn't get everywhere. The more you apply, the shinier they get. Spraying one coat and immediately wiping it off gave a deep black color without the wet tire look. This product also does wonders to rejuvenate plastic trim pieces, almost as well as Car Guys Plastic Restorer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.